It's Saturday morning. I'm going to Ashley's house for brunch slash a Bible study, so that's gonna be awesome. I'm making coffee right now. This morning I woke up and I was like, man, I just want to wear my Tevas. My Tevas.
I like to roll up in Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A fries are bomb diggity.
So we at Ashley's. Can you walk us through our spread?
Alright, so I brought some apples.
What kind?
They're kind of the reds with some lemon lime on it to like keep it from browning.
Okay, what else?
Yeah, and some pastries, cherry filled, and some bacon that Charlene made. And, oh, partially, I saw her flip it.
She touched it.
Yeah. And some quiche with fun things inside. I'm excited about the spinach part that Emma made. And some biscuits that Ashley made.
Yo.
And she like put butter on it. For real though.
I'm vlogging. Do you have anything to say?
I'm excited. Super excited.
Oh, the mini muffin.
You see this one right here? She's my own.
Amigo. Love dearly. Bum, 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 dum, ba-dum, bum. I wonder, I roll my ride home to tell you that I'm sorry. I won't feel this way. No, I'll see you again. Long run.
When you said freaking, you lost your zen. Lost your zen again. Oh, 20 minutes is up?
Hello vlog, we're studying, but our 20-minute break timer is up. So I can't really vlog anymore. Good morning vlog. I'm struggling this morning. It's really humid outside. And it's like 90 degrees at 9 a.m. It's not working out for me. I give up. Rest in peace to my bangs.
Miami.
I think there's another hurricane. I have to go repark my car and walk to Bible Talk. This is denim soaked. Hello vlog. I was already like starting to feel sick and now I'm like literally soaked all the way through my clothes and I'm really cold and I just want to cry. Flash flood warning came on and then like I couldn't see the road, and anyways I made it. I'm at Bible Talk. It's about to start. I'm just gonna take a few deep breaths and pray so I can be giving.
I like the smell of my own body odor. I mean,
No judgment. Smell what you want to smell, bro.
I don't know about that one.
I'm gonna just let you know that I don't like your body.
Bible Talk's over. I made it through. We're going home, but I'm really nervous to drive home because it like really scares me to drive in the rain. And that's like embarrassing. Well, it's not even raining right now. It's embarrassing, but not just in the rain, but like specifically when it's storming and at night, because you just can't see the roads. In Houston, like literally floods. Also, there's a flash flood warning right now until 8:45, and it's like 8, I think. So I'm still gonna try to go home because I refuse to be trapped on this campus. I'm not about to be stuck up in here, but you know I gotta get home. So wish me luck. Pretty much nervous.